Whoa!
We've teamed up with Woodgreen Pets Charity to create a lookbook of images of cats and dogs who are currently being cared for by the charity while they wait for their forever home. The IKEA Cat-alogue and Dog-alogue highlight the importance of pet adoption while showcasing our first ever pet furniture range, UTSÅDD.
So we've had a 60% increase in strays coming to us, and it's absolutely wonderful to be working with IKEA to make sure we can raise awareness of these wonderful pets and how we can find them new homes. There's tens of thousands of pets looking for new homes every year, and it's fantastic when people are able to adopt or support in other ways to make sure that we find them new homes as soon as possible. And for pets like Hachi here, it just means they get to go home to their fantastic new home.
At IKEA, we believe that pets are the real bosses of the home, just like Hachi here. We hope this partnership not only raises awareness of adoption, but also provides current pet owners with solutions and inspiration to create a comfortable living space for their furry companions.